Hello, welcome all. Just talk about color theory. Objective is to explain the importance of color, identify colors in rainbow, and able to recognize different types of color combination on the basis of color theory. Color plays an important role in design and everyday life. We can't imagine anything without colors. Color can draw an eye to any image and evoke a certain mood or emotion. Colors can even communicate something without using words at all. Let's take example of traffic signal. It consists of three colors. What are they? Red, green and yellow. Where red signal means stop, yellow means be careful, green means move on. What it signifies? It signifies that color have the capacity to transmit message without using words. It is the color which makes the design or object more attractive. It is the color which grabs attention, and it's capable to make anything interesting and attractive. Color is important for each and everyone, whether it is the matter of making books, files, or constructing home, temples, or designing magazines, or designing jewelry, or in designing any type of dress. Importance of color. Color is a non-verbal form of communication as color has the ability to transmit messages. Color also helps to recognize any object because when we see any object, firstly its color is observed. Later on we explore its shape, structure, design, etc. Identity also established by the use of color, like doctors prefer white color, advocate wear black coat, and so on. Color also express mood and emotions, like in funeral ceremony, people try to wear sober and soft colors to express grief and sadness, while gaudy and bright colors are preferred for celebration event to express happiness. Color also affects the personality of individual, like dark colors increase the size of body, in contrary, light colors decrease body size. So dark colors preferable for slender women and healthy women tries to subdue their flaws by wearing light colors. As we are talking about color, let's talk about colors observed in sky when sun is behind us and rain in front. What we call it rainbow. As we already know about this, just discuss about a little. Rainbow is a beautiful natural phenomena. As sunlight passes through water droplets, it bend and split into the colors of rainbow. As we know that there are total 7 colors in rainbow that frequently referred as vibgyor, in which V stands for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. But now, exactly what the color is? We can define color as the visual sensation that is produced by the stimulation of retina of human eye by light. Color is the element of design that refers to visible or reflected light because color appears only when the reflects. Here we can clearly see that in darkness we are not able to see any of the color. Absence of light means complete darkness or a black view. We can observe color only in the presence of sunlight. So color can be referred as visible or reflected light. Let us clearly understand it with an example how color reflects. So it's clear now, it's the light only through which we are able to see color. In order to observe color, there must be light and human eye act as color receptor. Now question arises, why we observe red color, blue color or many more colors? Like in this case we are observing red top and blue skirt. Then why is it red and why is it blue? Answer is that when light waves pass on an object, they are either absorbed or reflected by the object. When light touches an object, some of the lights are absorbed and others are reflected. Here red light is the only light that is reflected from top and blue color reflected from a skirt, while other colors get absorbed, so we are able to see only red and blue color as reflected light. If instead of blue color, violet color reflected in a skirt, then violet color will appear in a skirt. Likewise, color which we observe totally depends on which color is reflected. Then what about white color and black color? White objects appear white because they reflect all colors, that is all seven colors. It's a mixture of all visible light. Black objects absorb all colors and there is no reflection and the object appear as black. Now we just proceed to our main part, that is color theory. Knowledge of color theory is much essential for effective color combinations. So let's start. In color theory, firstly comes primary colors. Primary colors here located at three ends of triangle, that is red, yellow and blue. These are three primary colors. Secondary colors is actually the combination of two primary colors as here shown. With the combination of two primary colors, that is red color and yellow color, a secondary color is produced, that is orange color. Another secondary color is green color, which is produced by the combination of two primary colors, that is yellow color and blue color. Now the third secondary color is violet color, which is produced by the combination of blue color and red color. So there are three primary colors, that is red, yellow and blue, and we get three secondary colors, that is orange, green and white. Now let's discuss about intermediate colors. Intermediate colors are those colors which are produced by the combination of a primary color and an adjacent secondary color. That is one primary color plus one secondary color. Like here, red orange color is an intermediate color with combination of red color and orange color. Now next intermediate color is yellow orange color with the combination of primary yellow color and secondary orange color. Remember that we should always keep primary color in priority. Likewise, here we say yellow orange. We cannot consider it as orange yellow color as intermediate colors. Primary colors will be considered as first while naming intermediate colors. Here, intermediate color is yellow-green color, which is the combination of yellow as primary color and green as secondary color. Now, another intermediate color is blue-green with the combination of blue color and green color as primary and secondary color. Then, blue-violet color is another intermediate color with the combination of blue color as primary color and violet color as secondary color. Then last, intermediate color is red-violet color with the combination of red primary color and violet secondary color. So there are total 6 intermediate colors And remember to keep primary colors in priority while considering the name of intermediate color. So there are 6 intermediate color, that is red orange, yellow green, blue violet and red violet. So this is the final color wheel where we find 3 primary colors, that is red, yellow, blue, 3 secondary colors, that is orange, green and violet, and 6 intermediate colors, that is red, yellow, green, red, violet. And so that's about color theory. In next video, we will learn about color schemes. Thank you.